Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to test the touchscreen on this console. First thing we need to do is to open the system settings. To do it, on the home screen find the system settings icon, it's right here, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the system settings. In the settings, scroll through the menu by using the touchscreen, find the option called Controllers and Accessories, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here, look for the option called, I believe it's going to be something like Test Input Devices. Yeah, here we have it. You can tap on it, and here we can select touchscreen. You can also as well test the controllers, but for now, let's tap on the touchscreen. It will open this page, and here you can test your touchscreen. And how to do it is basically press and hold on the screen, and then you can draw the lines, and you can do it through the whole screen. And you have different zones of the screen, and basically keep drawing. If the line is uninterrupted, doesn't skip or something like that, it means that the screen is working fine. But if the line keeps, for example, skipping, I don't think I can like reproduce it, but basically when the console doesn't detect touch, it stops drawing. So if the line skips or something like that, or the whole drawing disappears, it means that your screen might be not functioning properly. But as you can see, mine looks fine, so we should be okay. And of course, there's no confirmation about the test, so it just shows you if the screen is working properly or not. You need to decide yourself. And if you see any issues, you probably would need to contact the service. Anyway, once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times, or press the home button to go back to home page or home screen. And that's how you test the touchscreen on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.